A Cranston mother was at the State House this afternoon testifying in support of a proposal to make schools statewide safer.
And the bill would mandate all Rhode Island schools have carbon monoxide detectors, something only required by law in 5 other states. Eyewitness News reporter Julianne Lima has the story. That's new at 5:30.
The bill is short, just 1 page long, but one Cranston mother says its impact would be enormous.
Oh, yes.
Pauline Bilal says she was minutes away from losing her daughter forever.
My daughter was just literally passed out and gone. Her eyes rolled in her head, and she had to be resuscitated.
Bilal says 17-year-old Trinity suffered carbon monoxide poisoning while at school at Cranston High School East back in November.
She was disoriented. She had vision problems. Her heart was pounding. They had to put her in a wheelchair to get her to my car.
Eyewitness News was there as at least 4 dozen other students and staff reported having symptoms of apparent CO poisoning. Tests conducted the next day found no elevated levels of CO, but Bilal isn't convinced and is pushing for another test and a new law.
This measure is the least we can do to protect our schools, our children, and our teachers.
Representative Joe McNamara sponsored the legislation. It would require every school in Rhode Island be equipped with CO detectors.
Every year in the United States, we lose 500 individuals. Another 10,000 are hospitalized for carbon monoxide poisoning.
After going back to school in November, Bilal says her daughter was hospitalized several times again for CO exposure.
She had over 21 blood works, all confirming re-exposure, re-exposure, re-exposure.
Now she's on the mend, but she's no longer attending classes at Cranston East.
I will not stop until this not only becomes a law here, that it becomes a law on a national level. No child, no parent should have to go through what we've been through since November 1st. None.
McNamara expects the bill to be voted out of committee and taken up on the full House floor in the coming weeks. I'm Julianne Lima, Eyewitness News.